Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping materials so printing and cutting go smoothly. Load printable vinyl or sticker paper and choose pigment inks for water resistance. Dye inks can bleed. Once done, set your printer to 300 dpi and the correct media profile. This prevents banding and poor adhesion. Cut oversized sheets down to a size that feeds consistently, leaving a small margin. You're avoiding jams and misprints early, which saves time and wasted sheets later. You print a test sheet to verify colors and alignment because adjusting now avoids reprinting whole runs. If stickers need durability, apply a clear laminate sheet or a light spray sealer. This protects ink and increases lifespan. After laminating, allow cure time so the film sits flat. Then cut. Use a precision blade for intricate shapes or a rotary cutter for straight lines. Follow registration marks or guides. Make slow, steady passes for clean edges and consistent shapes. You finish by weeding away background material and removing tiny interior pieces, using tweezers or a pick so you don't nick the sticker. Once done, apply transfer tape for multi-piece designs or precise placement. Burnish from center outward to secure adhesion and remove air. Trim final edges and test one sticker on your target surface to confirm adhesion and finish. If bubbles appear, you can pierce and smooth them. If ink smears or adhesive separates, reprint and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.